Hey everyone, this is Lady Trader. In this video, I'll show you how copy trading works on Bybit, step by step. Even if you're a complete beginner, by the end of this video, you'll understand how to find traders, how to analyze them, and how to copy them safely. Let's start with the basics. What is copy trading? It means you choose a trader and their trades are automatically copied to your account. You don't open or close positions manually, you follow someone else's strategy. But remember, copy trading is not risk-free. Traders can lose, markets can change. Your job is not just to copy, but to choose wisely and manage your risk. To find copy trading, go to the top menu, Tools, Copy Trading. Here you'll see leaderboards, categories, and trader rankings. You can filter traders by ROI, balance, trading style, or performance. If you're a beginner, don't chase the highest ROI. Start with traders who show consistency and controlled risk. Now open a trader profile. At the top, you'll see followers, trading days, assets under management. Higher numbers can indicate trust, but they're not a guarantee. Next, performance metrics. ROI, return over time. Win rate, percentage of winning trades. Max drawdown, how much the account dropped. Drawdown is critical. If it's too high, you need to be prepared for volatility. If it's unrealistically low, it may hide risk. Also check average profit and loss, trade frequency, holding time. These metrics show the trader's style. Short trades, active strategy. Long trades, swing trading. Now look at the equity curve. You want steady growth, not sharp spikes. Consistent performance is more important than short-term profit. Also check follower results. If most followers are profitable, that's a positive signal. Now, let's start copying. Click Copy. Enter your investment amount, choose your wallet, and confirm. Now, go into Advanced Settings. This is the most important step. Set limits, max position size, max daily exposure. These protect your account from excessive risk. You can also set stop loss per trade, take profit levels, slippage limits. If you're a beginner, keep it simple. The reasonable limits and avoid over-optimizing. There is also a total stop loss option. This means if losses reach a certain level, copying stops automatically. This is one of the most important risk management tools. Once everything is set, confirm and start copying. You can track your results in your portfolio. Monitor active trades, performance, and history. Don't check every minute. Copy trading works best when you think long-term. Final tips: don't invest everything in one trade. Diversify your capital. Focus on consistency, not hype. And always control your risk. To summarize, choose carefully, set limits, and stay disciplined. That's how copy trading works on Bybit. This is Lady Trader. See you in the next video.